Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. Hope you all will be fine. Today we will read chapter number 4, Minerals and Natural Resources of the Muslim World of Grade 7. First of all, we will read about oil and natural gas. While so much of the Muslim world is not very fertile for agriculture because of the lack of water or poor soil, it is by far the most important region of the world for producing oil and natural gas. These are extremely valuable for export as the whole world is desperate for petroleum and also for helping to develop industries in the Muslim world. This area produces a third of the world's output of oil and 15% of the natural gas. More of these energy sources are being discovered all the time, especially gas in Pakistan. Iraq has huge reserves of oil, third in order for political reasons. Iraq is banned from exporting more than a small amount. If Iraq were allowed to export all that it was able to, the Islamic world would produce more than half the total world supply. Other states such as Bahrain, Qatar and Abu Dhabi in the UAE also produce large amount of oil. Abu Dhabi has 9% of the world's oil reserves and 5% of the natural gas reserve. In 2007, Pakistan produced about 22.6 million barrels of crude oil. This may seem a large amount, but remember that Saudi Arabia pumps out this amount every 2 days. Pakistan does, however, have some very valuable natural gas fields. The pie chart shows the world's top 15 producers of oil. The Islamic countries producing oil and gas are as follows. These countries produces high amount of oil and these Muslim countries produces gas. While the USA is the second largest producer of oil, it consumes twice as much as it produces, so that it has to import huge amounts. For the Muslim world, only Iran comes in the top 15 consumer of oil, and even then it produces 3 times as much as it uses. Most of the oil used by Iran is for industry and for turning sea water into fresh water desalination. Quite apart from its most important use as fuel, oil is the raw material for many other products. It is about oil, how it is used and which country it produces. Very well, now it's coal. Coal is also important producer. The only important producer of coal in Muslim world is Kazakhstan, whose mines have the 10th highest of the total world output. High quality coal deposits have also been discovered in the third area of Pakistan. Mineral and other products of the Muslim world, oil and natural gas are without doubt by far the most important products of the Muslim world, although it has other very important products in the world economy too. Now it is also Muslim countries chart what they produce and rank in the world. It's from 2008 to 2009. Then it's copper. Copper is used largely in the electric industry and it is one of the best conductor. It is made into cables, wires and other components connected with the generation of power and electric equipment. It is very useful for making cooking pots and it heats very quickly. Many countries use a mixture of copper and other metal for their coins. Okay, then its lead is used for making motor or batteries. It is also used in X-ray equipment and it protects doctor and nurse working with the machines from the rays. Then it comes zinc, is a metal which is used to plate very thinly sheet of corrugated iron or steel, which are often used as a cheap form of roofing. Zinc will not rust and thus prevent the iron underneath it from doing so. Then it's nickel. The valuable metal is often used like zinc to cast steel objects to stop them from rusting. It is the shiny metal you see in bicycle handlebars or the bumpers of cars. Gold. usually think of jewelry when we think of gold, but today it has a much more important place in industry. It is the best conductor of all metals in the world and will never rest. Then it's silver. Silver is also resistant to tarnishing as well as for jewelry, cutlery and silverware, dishes, cups, trays, etc. Silver is used in computer because of conduct electricity well. Okay students, now read it by yourself about the natural resources, minerals of Muslim countries. If you have any question, do comment in comment box. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.